This isn't just about buying a car. This is about buying peace of mind. Because when you retire, your priorities change. It's no longer about speed or showing off or chasing the latest trend. It's about comfort, reliability, and most importantly, cost. Because the last thing you want is a car that keeps draining your savings year after year. It's about knowing that your investment works for you, not against you. Not having to worry about surprise repairs or expensive maintenance or insurance that spikes unexpectedly. The goal is stability and freedom to enjoy your retirement without the constant stress of automotive bills. So what if you could own an SUV that's affordable, easy to maintain, and built to last for the long run? Today, we're breaking down 7 of the cheapest SUVs to own long-term, perfect for retirees. Vehicles that won't just save you money, but also stress. Vehicles that let you enjoy the road without having to constantly think about cost. Let's start with something that has quietly built a reputation for lasting forever. The Honda CR-V. This SUV isn't flashy, it doesn't try to impress, but that's exactly why it works. It's reliable, simple, and incredibly practical. Owners regularly keep it for well over a decade, with minimal issues. It's the kind of vehicle where you can simply drive and forget about the car itself. And when it comes to ownership costs, it's one of the most balanced vehicles on the road. Low maintenance, strong fuel economy, affordable insurance, durable parts that are easy to find. It's exactly what retirees need. The CR-V isn't just a car, it's a long-term partner that quietly does its job every day for years. Next up, the Toyota RAV4. If reliability had a face, this would be it. This is the SUV people buy when they don't want surprises. It's known for lasting years, even decades, with proper care. And the best part? It doesn't cost much to maintain. Low repair frequency, strong resale value, efficient fuel economy, especially in hybrid models. That means you save on gas and spend less on repairs. It's not just affordable today, it stays affordable for years. When you're retired, long-term stability matters more than shiny features. Now let's talk about comfort with a touch of practicality. The Subaru Forester. This SUV is built for ease, high seating position, excellent visibility, smooth driving feel, and most importantly, low ownership costs. Insurance rates are among the lowest in its class, making it one of the cheapest SUVs to own long term. For retirees, that means fewer surprises and more predictable expenses. The Forester also comes with all-wheel drive as standard, which adds confidence in all kinds of weather without adding excessive maintenance costs. It's built to handle winters, rainy seasons, and rough roads, all without the stress of frequent repairs. Then we have the Mazda CX-5. This one feels a little different, more refined, more premium, but still affordable to own. It combines reliability with comfort and one of the best interiors in its class. Seats are supportive, controls are intuitive, cabin materials feel solid. And despite that premium feel, like its insurance and maintenance costs remain low, so you're not just saving money, you're enjoying the drive too. The CX-5 shows that you don't have to sacrifice comfort for economy, and that's a rare balance in a small SUV. Now let's go even more budget friendly. The Honda HR-V. This is where simplicity shines. Smaller, lighter, easier to drive, and extremely efficient. Fuel economy is strong, maintenance is low, and the design is practical. It's the kind of SUV that just works. No complications, no unnecessary features, just reliability at a lower cost. It's perfect for retirees who want something simple but still functional. Next, the Nissan Rogue. This one is all about comfort and everyday usability, spacious interior, smooth ride, easy controls, and solid fuel economy. For retirees who want something comfortable but still affordable, this is a strong choice. It balances cost and convenience without overcomplicating things. Add in features like adaptive cruise control and good infotainment, and you have a vehicle that's safe, comfortable, and economical. And finally, one of the most underrated options, the Toyota Corolla Cross. This is a newer SUV, but built on something proven, the Corolla, which means one thing: dependability. It combines the reliability of a sedan with the practicality of an SUV. Higher driving position, more space, better visibility, and still low long-term costs. For retirees, this is one of the safest bets you can make. It's efficient, easy to drive, and comes with Toyota's legendary reputation for longevity. Oh, now here's the reality. Owning an SUV isn't just about the price you pay today, it's about what you pay over time. Fuel, maintenance, insurance, repairs, depreciation. These are the costs that matter most, and the SUVs on this list excel in exactly those areas. They're not the fastest, they're not the most luxurious, but they're the ones that won't surprise you with unexpected expenses. Because when you're retired, predictability matters. Knowing your car will start every morning without problems is worth more than horsepower. Knowing you won't face expensive repairs gives you peace of mind, and knowing your fuel costs stay low makes a real difference month after month. There's also something else that matters more than people realize: ease of use, simple controls, comfortable seating, plus easy entry and exit. These things may seem small, but over time, they matter a lot, and these SUVs are designed with that in mind. Another key factor is longevity. Some of these vehicles are known to last over 200,000 miles with proper care. That means you're not just buying a car, you're buying years of stress-free driving, and that's really what this is about. Not just saving money, but avoiding problems, because in retirement, the goal isn't just to spend less, it's to live easier, to drive without worry, to travel without thinking about breakdowns, to feel secure, confident, and independent. So instead of chasing trends or overpaying for features you don't need, these SUVs offer something better: simplicity, reliability, and long-term value. Odd, because the best car in retirement isn't the fastest one. It's the one you never have to think about. If you're planning your next vehicle, choose something that works for you, not against you, because the right SUV won't just save you money, it will give you peace of mind, freedom, and the ability to enjoy the road on your terms. If you found this helpful, subscribe, because we break down real decisions that actually matter and help you choose smarter for the long run.